Episode, we find out this VL is actually a turbo. Well, as I said, I came into work today, it's a Sunday, I got the bonnet to pop. I looked at the plates, and it actually turns out this is a VL SL turbo, factory manual, factory turbo. So that's pretty good news. It's got some K-Max suspension. I'll turn the camera around and show you a bit more of the car. So as you can see, when they've taken the motor out, they've done a good job. They've kept everything off. Still got, you know, washer bottle, reservoirs, brake master, clutch masters there, charcoal canister, which looks that it's been replaced or put in from something else at some stage. I'm not too sure. Factory exhaust there, fuse panels all there, all nice. K-Max suspension in the front. She's actually pretty clean. It's got a little bit of rust here, obviously, where the battery tray is. Bonnet sort of let go a little bit, and someone put a bonnet scoop on it at one stage. I've worked out that's why the surface rust's on the top. But yeah, she's actually pretty clean in the worst spots where you usually would find it, all in that cowl area there. She's actually really nice. I did also open the boot, so we'll go around and have a look here. And inside the boot, we've got some door molds and some headlights. Headlights have seen better days, unfortunately. As you can see, they've sort of peeled away, but you could take that apart and fix it. Well, maybe not. That's the reflection's gone. The lenses are still good. So, and I also found the only other bit of bad rust is right down in there, so the old drain's gone skis. Not too bad though, really. Inside the boot's nice and clean. She's been looked after. It does have, looks to have a K-Max rear sway bar in there as well. Not sure you can see. She's orange, generally means K-Max. Looks like the diff's the original factory VL Turbo LSD. Got disc brakes and whatnot. So she's also pretty good, other than a couple of little bubbles coming through the seal. Same on the other side. Show you the other side quickly. Let's see, just a couple of little bubbles coming through. But overall, she's a pretty neat piece. There's the exhaust, front end there. This guard's had a little bit of a touch up at some stage. Someone jacked it in the wrong spot or something. And then you can see K-Max front sway bar. So she was once a pretty loved car. Like I said, the worst thing is the sunroof, but there's nothing to say. I suppose they didn't organise that from the factory. I'm unsure. One of the VL people might be able to tell me in the comments. But she's locked on this side. It's we also got a rust hole here around the bottom of the windscreen. So it started to go. She's not too bad. I can't get over this thing's a turbo. Didn't ever think I'd own a VL turbo. I'll open this door up. Typical Darwin wet season car, got a bit of mould on it. The old cars don't like sitting around in the weather. So she has a factory 248,395 kilometres. Autometer boost gauge, speedometer water temp, as per typical Commodore things. Bonnet release is broken. But the inside, all pretty nice and neat. They've taken the, well, I don't know what they've taken out, I suppose. ECU, I guess. There's the old Pioneer head unit. Any goodies in the center console for us? No, it's a little bit cracked at the bottom there. Back seat area looks pretty good, other than a bit of mould on the carpet. Roof line is all still there. See, they've done a good job of this sunroof install. So I'm unsure if it's, either way, I think it was done properly. Oh, look at that. Comes with an original owner's handbook. Unsure you get that open. Some old papers. I'll see what was last reg out. No, that's not even for this car. Got the old handbrake cover for all your handbrakies. Top of the dash is a little bit warped, but overall not bad. It's actually in a bit better condition than I suppose the green one is. The green one's, I think, got less rust, but this one at least has all matching door cards and that. The green one's got power window door cards, but manual winders. Excuse the sweat. I know I look like an unshaved ball sack, but it's Darwin. It's wet season. We're in a heat wave, so you know we're averaging mid to high 30s with 100% humidity. This is doing this right now sucks. Anyway, that's a bit more on the old VL Turbo. For anyone that's interested, I think I'm open to sell it. It's not really something I'd like to do, but my wife and I are trying to look into an investment property. So I think this car here, for me to do it, I'd want to put it back to being a proper VL turbo, spend some money on it. It's not really in my scope of things to do at the moment. So look, if anyone wants to make an offer on it, hit me up, comment on the YouTube, go to the Instagram or the Facebook. You can find us at Sloth Industries. Send me a message. I've also put it up on the LW5 Facebook group, I think it is. Let me have a look. What is it? Is that the code? Yep, LW5 MX7 this is. But yeah, I'll leave this video here. It's just a quick one. This isn't a proper video release. This is just a Sunday fun day. I had to come to work because I had a job that needed to be done for tomorrow and hadn't done it. So just came into work quickly. Thought I'd check out the VL. I'll leave this one here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to see more VL content. Definitely gonna get back into the green one. I actually bought this one to use as parts for the green one, but I think that's probably a bit sacrilege, if that's the right word. I'm not very smart. yeah, bit of a good surprise on my Sunday. Cheers everyone, see you in the next one.